Yeah, rich, rich loco. Yeah, why the niggas want me to die? Why the niggas want me to die? Why the niggas want me to cry? Go by the name of Rich Loco. Why the niggas want me to cry? Why the niggas want me to die? I go by the name of Rich Loco. Yeah, look. Why these niggas want me to cry? Why these niggas want me to die? That's why I keep it on me, nigga, yeah. And this in case, yeah, these niggas trying to play dog. I go by the name of Rich Local Dog, yeah. And why these niggas want me to cry, yeah. And why these niggas want me to die, yeah. And then these niggas run up on me, know I got it on me. Them niggas acting phony, man, them niggas ain't my friend. Why these niggas want me to cry, yeah. Why these niggas want me to die, yeah. I go by the name of Rich Local, yeah, and why you want me to cry, homie, yeah, and why these niggas want me to cry, yeah, and why these niggas want me to die, yeah. I go by the name of Rich Local, yeah, them niggas he ain't heard of me, yeah. That's why I gotta keep it on me, dog, yeah, and mama said you better watch who you call friends. That's why I got my back up on the wall, yeah, and niggas they can't say my hand, dog, I don't trust niggas. That's why I put that weed, dog, in the backwood. That's why I'm hearing voices, dog, in my head, yeah. They said I need to go see a church, yeah, to get away from all these demons, nigga, yeah, why you want me to cry, yeah, yeah, and why you want me to die, yeah, yeah. Them niggas he ain't heard of Rich Local, yeah, they want me to fall back, yeah, and why you want me to cry, yeah, yeah, and why you want me to die, yeah, and they ain't heard of Rich Local, yeah, yeah, they want me to cry, yeah, they want me to die, yeah, I get up on my knees and talk to God, yeah, I know you hear me when I talk to him for a prayer, forgive me for my life and sins, all the things that I did. That's why I put that Hennessy up in that cup, yeah. And why you want me to cry, yeah. And why you want me to die, yeah. Too much pain running all up in my body, yeah. They want this nigga Rich Local dick, yeah. And why you want me to cry, yeah. And why you want me to die, yeah. And they ain't heard of Rich Local, yeah. Yeah. And mama said you gotta watch who you call friend. And why you want me to cry, yeah, and why you want me to die, yeah, and they ain't heard of Rich Local, yeah, yeah, they want me to cry, they want me to die in these streets, yeah. I told my girl Jennifer that I'm sorry, yeah, that I put you through all the pain, baby girl, yeah. I'm sorry, Jennifer, never meant to hurt you, yeah. I never meant to make you cry, never dog you out. I never meant to call you bitch or call you out your name. I never meant to put my hands up on you, Jennifer. We got a little baby son coming in this world. You named him after the daddy, yeah, little Freddie, yeah. Why you want me to cry?